Is shaving frustrating you? Today, we'll show you why underarm waxing is the ultimate game changer for smooth, glowing skin. Stick around for expert tips, step-by-step guides, and amazing results. Waxing is more than just hair removal. It's a complete skin upgrade. Here's why. It lasts up to 4 weeks longer than just days of shaving. Waxing exfoliates your skin, removing dead skin cells for a brighter look. No razor bumps, no hair, just silky smooth underarms. Are you afraid of pain? Don't worry, we'll share pro tips for reducing discomfort later in this video. Before you wax, preparation is key. Here's what you need. Cleanse and exfoliate your skin the day before waxing. This reduces irritation and makes hair removal easier. Avoid applying deodorant or lotion on waxing day. Clean skin ensures better results. Your skin type. Choosing the right wax for sensitive skin. Go for hypoallergenic wax options. Now it's time to wax. Follow these steps for a seamless experience. Heat your wax. Use a wax heater or follow package directions. Check the temperature on your wrist to avoid burns. Apply the wax in small sections according to the direction of hair growth. Press the wax strip firmly, wait a few seconds, and pull sharply against the hair growth. Pro tips for less pain. Hold your skin tight when removing the bandage. Exhale quickly as you pull the band to distract your mind from the sensation. Always pull parallel to the skin, not upwards, to avoid irritation. After waxing, your skin needs some TLC. Here's how to take care of it. Apply soothing gel or aloe vera to soothe the skin. Avoid deodorant, perfume, or hot showers for 24 hours. Gently exfoliate after 48 hours to prevent ingrown hairs. Here is the result. Smooth, flawless underarms you'll love to show off. Compare the difference. No pimples, no dark shadows, just glowing skin. New to waxing? Avoid these common mistakes. Do not wax immediately after shaving. Let your hair grow at least 1/4 inch. Don't skip patch testing for allergies, especially with new products. Don't forget to moisturize post-wax. Ready to try waxing? Let us know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health and beauty tips.